So what you'll need is, you can pause the video right now or check out the description for the ingredients. Take a pot and crack your egg in there. Whisk it up until it's fluffy. Add the sugar. Whisk it up again. Add half of the milk. Give it a small whisk. Then the flour. Whisk until it's a smooth mixture. And finally add the rest of your milk. There we go, we're looking for a lump-free consistency, something like this. Take a pan and put it on the fire. I usually like to set it on low to medium low and let your pan get hot. Take your melted butter, and here I have a silicone brush that I'm going to use to brush some butter in the pan. Spread it all over. Then take a little bit more than half a ladle of pancake mix and spread it in a thin layer in a pan. And now let it fry for a minute or two on one side, then flip it and fry it again. While your pancake is baking, take your melted butter and spread it on a pancake that is already done, and just repeat it for every single layer. That way your pancakes will taste extra delicious. And that's about it. This recipe serves roughly 6 pancakes. If you want more, just multiply the ingredients and enjoy.